What's going on, guys? Today I will be reviewing these 3-inch LED light pods made by the company Ourbest, O-U-R-B-E-S-T. Their link is down in the description. These are approximately 30 bucks on Amazon for both of them, so that's not too costly. And they are 24 watt, which is kind of impressive. Most of the ones that I see are 12, 18 watt, and these are the spot beam ones, so they cast about a 60-degree beam. You can look at more of their specifications if you go to the link below and you go and view them on Amazon. And the purpose of this video, I will just be reviewing them mainly. So tonight, which would be probably about the last minute of the video, I will have a camera mounted to the roof of the FJ Cruiser here, and I'm just going to turn the lights on at nighttime. I've already ran the wire for them, so this isn't going to be an installation video. I'm just going to be going through what's in the box, talking about those just a little bit, and then touching on how I've wired in other lights to this. And I do have other videos if you want to check those out. How I wired these in, you would be wiring in these lights the same way, because these do not come with switches. It's just wires that are attached to the light housing. So it doesn't come with a switch, anything like that. You'd have to have all of that separate or already installed in your vehicle, like I have mine already installed. My switches, I'm gonna have a video popping up, just a little clip down in the bottom of this video of how I installed the switches in my FJ Cruiser and how I made that work with the relay box that I have under the hood, how I tapped into the factory wiring. And if you have a FJ Cruiser, I've got a video on how to pull the side panel off that goes up the pillar in front of the mirror. So check those links out in the description, check out those videos, because those videos will answer most of the questions that you would have on installing lights, whether that be front mounted lights, rear mounted lights, going through a relay, switches. So check those out if you want more detailed information on how to install them. But going through what they have in the box, these do come with all the necessary mounting hardware. You have this little hex Allen key, and then the nuts, bolts, different sizes that you would need. So the lights come like this without the bracket attached. I've already installed this bracket. So this is how it comes. The bolts that you put in, they're recessed a little bit in that hole. And there's a nut that you have to hold in on the inside. Whenever you use the bracket and you slide it in, there's not a nut that's welded to the bracket. As you can see, I took some hot glue and stuck it on there so that the nut stays in place, because whenever this bracket slides into the fin, I don't have enough room to get my finger inside of these fins. These are the only brackets that it comes with. What I had to do is I had to purchase these separately. So I had to purchase these little tube clamps separately, and this is a 1-inch tube clamp. That's for the ARB roof rack. If you have the factory roof rack on the FJ Cruiser, you can install them the same way, but you will have to use, I think it's the 1.5-inch tube clamp. And those will clamp directly onto the factory roof rack that comes with the FJ Cruiser. So I'm going to wire that up, and then after that, I'm just going to show the brightness of the daytime and then show the brightness at night. I finished the installation. They're all wired up, everything's soldered together. I'm just gonna come over here and just show a little daytime comparison. If you look at the railing in the wall, see the lights come on, off, on. So they are pretty bright. Even standing in front of them, if I look directly at them, I actually get spots all in. So right now I'm seeing spots because they're shining right at my face. But they're very bright. They're 24 watts, so they're gonna be brighter than the 18 watt and the 12 watt versions. But anyway, so that's it for the daytime test. They do cast a pretty good beam. So right now I'm just gonna wait for the sun to go down a little bit more, and then put my camera on top and drive around and just get some nighttime footage. Okay, so here I am in a pretty dark area. It's not very well lit at all. There's no street lights. And turn on the fog lights. They do a pretty good job of illuminating the hood. The spot beams, I mean, do a pretty good job of illuminating the hood. So I should probably just aim them forward a little bit more, but they cast a pretty good beam on the ground, as you could tell from the video. So could probably adjust them a little bit more to get a little bit more visibility out of them from my seat that I'm sitting at, but it's pretty good so far. Anyway, that's it for this video. So thanks a lot for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and please check out the other videos down in the description below. If you don't know that much about wiring, I kind of cover everything that you need to know, really. I have a relay box under the hood over here where I have all the relays for my front fog lights, which I have a video on installing those. My rear fog lights, that they only light up whenever I have it in reverse and the switch is flipped. So if I flip the switch, right now they're not on until I throw the vehicle in reverse. But I tapped into the factory fuse box so that this whole lighting system only works whenever the vehicle is on, so I don't have to accidentally leave something on. Like I said, like, subscribe, comment, and God bless you guys.